Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Chrysler Pacifica's auxiliary battery. This is a straightforward task that most people can do at home with just a few common tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet or impact driver. Sometimes an E5 or E6 Torx bit is also helpful for transferring terminal posts. Remember to always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. First, locate your auxiliary battery, usually found on the right side of the engine compartment. To access it, you'll need to remove the air intake ductwork that sits directly above it. Simply pull up on the duct to release it. Next, using your 10mm socket, loosen and remove the negative battery cable. Always disconnect the negative terminal first for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery hold down. This is typically a strap secured by a 10mm bolt, often located deep down, so an extension will be very useful here. Once the strap is loose, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. It can be a bit heavy, so lift with your legs. If your new battery doesn't come with terminal posts, remember to transfer them from the old one. Now carefully lower your new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits snugly. Reinstall the hold-down strap and tighten its 10mm bolt to secure the battery in place. Next, reconnect the positive battery terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure all connections are tight. Finally, reattach the air intake ductwork, ensuring it snaps back into position. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.